Okay. This is the close Slav. The close Catalan, not Slav. Okay, maybe. Maybe he's out of the book. What is this actually? Why he played like that? Okay, let's take space. I don't understand. I'd like to close everything on the queen side and then I'm going to attack on the king side. This is not good. Let's go here and there. He's not going to take because he's giving squares actually. And step by step I'd like to improve my pieces on the king side and I don't know what he is going to do. What is this? Really, now I can understand his moves. Why he played like that? Queen a6 is his next move. Okay, let's go back. Okay, let's take this. Maybe. Alright, let's go on the king side actually. I would like to play on the king side. This is not something dramatic. Take everything there. He has a passed pawn, okay. But suddenly I have a lot of pieces in his king side. He should afraid actually. I'm threatening to sacrifice right now, right here. What he's going to play? He don't care about my moves. Okay, let's sacrifice, let's give a check there, I don't know, or here. He just resigned! Insane!
If you like this video, you're very welcome to follow me on Twitch, live streamings every Tuesday and Thursday, 1900 Greek time. Be there!